Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi here. Today we are back on our Doodlebug card collab. This is collaboration with my talented friends Helen and Cherryl. The collection I will be using for today's 10 cards is the Cute and Crafty collection. I have the 6x6 paper pad and this has 24 double-sided cardstock. Here I'm just flipping through the papers so you can see the beautiful patterns from the paper pad. I will also use odds and ends from the collection. These die-cut images are super cute. I already chose a few of the images for my cards today. I didn't use all of the ones that you see here, but I can save them for future cards or project later. I think I used 12 of the designs from the paper pad. Here I'm detaching them and I will start planning on how to add or layer them on my cards. I will also use 5 colors of cardstock from the Paper Tree Ink cardstock collection, and I will use them to supplement and or add borders on my cards or pattern papers. And I will also try to use this paper scraps here or cardstock scraps from my stash. The dies and stamps I use are Elizabeth Craft Designs Dashing Circles, Cat Scrappiness, Fancy Scallop Stitch Border Dies. I use sentiments from Paper Tree Ink, Ink It In Stamp Set, Hero Arts You're Sweet as a Pie Stamp Set, and the last one is from my monthly Hero Arts May 2019 card kit. At this time, I already have all my papers cut and ready to adhere on card bases. These strips here are going inside the cards and the scraps will be added on the back. And now all we need to do is adhere the cut papers on card bases. I went on Pinterest and chose some card sketches that will work with my cute images. I'm going to let you watch this process and I will see you at the end. Enjoy the video. And here are my adorable cards. I love how these cards turned out. These cards are perfect to send to crafty friends. And I also have one that is for teacher card. Please don't forget to check out my friends' videos to see the cards they created using their choice of Doodlebug collection. I will leave their links in my description box below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.